What's up, everybody? I'm Captain Jayhab. Today we're here to play Last Guardian. I played Colossus when it came out like 100 years ago. I was like 12, couldn't beat it. And I've beaten a lot of really hard games like Dark Souls, Final Fantasy, blah 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 blah. And Colossus was not one of them that I beat. I think I got kind of far. I think I got halfway. I remember beating the initial one that stands up on two legs. And then I think there was one that was in the water. I don't know if that was the one that was next. Then there was another one on a platform somewhere that was hella hard to get to. But this is not the first time recording. It's not at all. First, microphone didn't work. Then the computer didn't work. We'll see what doesn't work this time. I didn't get too far, so we're just gonna speed through this because I hate doing things over again. I hate it. I hate it. I still think that this is a bunch of children dancing on the blood-soaked ground of their enemies. I can't think of this being anything else. Unless they're on Mars. Oh my god, are they on Mars? Is this like a future colonization on Mars? It's after the apocalypse of Earth. Everyone's moved to Everyone moved to Arby's. Yep, goats. Everyone loves goats. Unless they're your roommate. That's weird. Oh, hey, it's Clifford. I named him. His name is now Clifford. He is Clifford, the big blue bird cat. God, I hate doing things over again. So I have See, when I saw this, I was thinking this was gonna be like the lion and the mouse situation, and I was absolutely right. Shut up! Don't talk over me. Oh yeah, I gotta move and shit. All that annoying bullshit. I wouldn't call it a cave. It's more like a cavern of bullshit. How did I get here and this thing never noticed me? And how long has Clifford been sitting here with spears in his chestises and shit? It's called a drunk night. You got twisted, bro. Chill, Clifford. Chill, Clifford. Chill, Clifford. I know what I'm doing. I got this. I'm gonna yank that shit out. Yank it! Yank it! Yeah! Yeah! Yep, get womped. That's what happens when you try to be the mouse. You get fucking womped. I'm still recovering from my wompage. I got womped pretty hard. Get up, you pussy. Get up. You have to take more of a beating than that. You got more beatings to take. I've already deduced that I hate this kid. I hate this kid so much. Grab it. Yeah. Yep. I've also deduced that these are either barrels full of glowing butterfly shit, because there's always butterflies around me, or this is like a barrel of PCP. Because look at his eyes. Ah, shit. Well, fuck you then. Oh, fine. I'll take it. Fuck away from me. There, have it. Just smack you in the face with it. The barrel of butterfly shit. There you go, strong kid. But I deduced I hate this kid because he has zero coordination. Like, he is the least coordinated person I have ever seen in my entire life. And I'm me. I'm not very coordinated. But this guy, he's bad. He's real bad. Yep. Yep. And okay, that works. Drop. There we go. Here's your butterfly shit. Your butterfly shit. Now we have to back away to a semi-safe distance. There you go. And watch him never take a bite. Go ahead, eat it. Yep, he eats it, wood and all. He puts that wood in his mouth and he devours. Just like a $2 whore. Alright, now we've got one more thing to do. Shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up. Grab it! Grab it! Yank it! Yank it! There you go! Gotta yank it good. And then get whomped again. That's how you get whomped, kid. That's how you get whomped. I'm telling you, this was a classic lion and mouse situation. Pull the thorn out of his paw. Only in this case, it was 2 spears in his spine. Well, one in the spine, the other one in his ass cheek. I don't know about you, but I'd probably be pretty pissed if I had a spear in my ass cheek. Back the fuck off. I'm not dead yet. You can't eat me. Down, Clifford. Down. Clifford, the big blue bird thing. Big blue bird cat. Is that a beak? Is it? I don't think it's a beak. You got feathers. I don't quite know what else you could be other than a bird thing. You got feathers and like talons and shit. And you molt a lot. Yep. There you go. There we go. I don't know about you, but if I knew this thing was like a man-eating beast, I probably would have never felt it. But that's me. I would have died here. Just like in every other video game situation. I would have died. Yeah, I just want to get through this shit. I just want to get through this. Come on. Yep, let's go. Let's go. Come on, Clifford. Come on. Hello. Let go. I will not. He is mine, and he is mine forever. I'm keeping him, Mom. No, I didn't want you to grab onto his face. Kid, let go. See, this is why I hate this kid. Kid. Oh, God. We're gonna start with me already. It's gonna start with me. Fucking no matter what, he just grabs the fucking. Go! Let go! Let go! Go! Oh, thank you, Clifford. Make it easy on him. Please make it easy on him. Thank you so much. No! Come on! Let go! Christ! Move your face. Get this shit out of here. All yours. All yours. Yep, that's yours. Oh my God. If any of you enjoy watching me look like a total idiot, this kid's gonna make your dreams come true. Camera, don't help him, camera. Don't help him. why I don't do things with kids. This is why I don't do kids. Kids are not cool. I'll take that. This is the reason why I think it's a continuation of Colossus. Because in Colossus, you had a super shimmery shield that showed you the way of everything. Did I say shield? Did I just say shield? Kid's fucking with my head. Get out of my head! But in that you had a super shiny sword. Not shield, sword. I might not have even ever said shield. This is how crazy this kid makes me. But you had a super shimmery sword just like this shield. So that's what's kind of convincing me it's a continuation. Also, they didn't speak English either. They spoke some weird language I don't recognize. I'm probably just stupid. Yep, shimmery shimmer. Yep. Dude, what is up with your eyes? Like, is there a rave going on behind your behind those? There's the I'm sorry, I just forgot how to speak English there for a second. There's a rave going on in his brain. Yep. Yep. My resident Pikachu. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Get over here and shit some lightning at this wall. We got places to be. Come on. Yep, right up here. Good. Yep. Shit lightning all day. All day, baby. What I don't get is why you need my magical shield to show you where to shit those lightning bolts. That's what I really don't get.
Did you know?
Well, that's because you're a rowing badass. Just not right now, that's for damn sure. You were way too uncoordinated. You got about as much coordination as a retarded dog. With only one leg. Yippee! Water! The water actually really does nice. I would enjoy swimming in it. If I could see the bottom, which I can't. Open! There you go. Purple butt bolts. Let's go. Shoot some more purple butt bolts. More purple butt bolts. Come on. Purple butt bolts. Yep. That's how you shit lightning. Get. Come on, kid. There you go. Why the fuck are these butterflies following me? Are these some carnivorous butterflies? Am I food to them? Am I food to you? Huh, butterfly? You better fuck off, butterfly. Scoot it. Scoot it. Kid, please. Cooperate with me. Cooperate. Come on. Come on, we got more butterfly shit to throw. Gotta feed him that good butterfly dung. And just jump to your death. Yep. That should have killed you. I wish it did. I wish it did, kid. Get in the water, you son of a bitch. Yep. Come on. There you are. He doesn't like the water for some reason. That's why he's a bird cat. Yep, there you go. Of course, none of my cats would have ever jumped in water for a treat. So this shit must be great. Some good shit right here. There you go. Well, now there's only one thing to do. Climb on him and don't drown. Come on. Don't drown yet. Not just yet. I see something under there. Like shards or something. It's probably just wood or something. Ah! 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 Fuck you. I'm on here. I'm a passenger. Come on, Clifford. Get going. Go, 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 go. Go, go. I'm gonna rub your horn. This is actually pretty cool, I'm not gonna lie. It's actually kind of amazing what's happening right here. Yep, get it going. Get it going. Like, come on! Man, this kid's got grip. This kid's got grip. When he's holding on to something, he don't let go. Point in case. He just fucking flopped. Why did he flop? He fucking flopped off. He had no grace. No grace. He just flopped over like it was nothing. He's like, oh yeah, I take hits like this every day. Oh, shit. I hate you. Oh. Cutscene time.
The
hell it is. The hell you do. Ain't no farewell. And here we go. Running away. Oh, look. Clifford. He's got the moves. Not gonna happen. I mean, this kind of is his own. To be perfectly honest. That is quite the howl you got there. That is pretty intimidating. I'd be intimidated by it. I mean, I'd just shit my pants to see this creature up close.
Aratizi, Otetara Lastuzi, Arakastakaru,
Cavern.
Inokia, Ataduro Kutuzi, Yano Mot Katunek, Aokuzi.
I've already said everything I can say on this. I've seen this part. This is why I hate redoing things. There's just no more wonder.
Aonari, Aututu, Keono Nita,
Oh yeah.
Agokuzi, Adutu.
Apparently, the narrator, which is very obviously this kid, likes to give spoilers! Anybody want to see some magic tricks? Clifford's got the magic tricks on hand. Look at this party trick out here. Yep, there's a party trick that you'll never see anywhere else. Big ass megaton monster balancing perfectly on a bunch of boulders. Yep. Come on. Yep. Come on! Get over here! That is some magic right there. Come on! Come on! Just jump it! You magical creature, you. Whoa! Hit it with that butt lightning. Hit it with that purple butt bolts. Yep, it falls. Perfect opportunity to run across. Just book it. Just book it too late. And that's what happens when you wait too long, kids. Life passes you by, and you end up in a whole mess of shit. Obviously, there's obviously a lot of lessons that this kid's parents didn't teach him. Like, don't get trapped in a monstery abyss. That's a good life lesson. Yeah? I think so. The butterflies are back. Fucking butterflies, man. Fucking butterflies. There's gotta be significance to the butterflies. If there's not a significance to the butterflies, I will eat a pencil, freshly sharpened, whole. Come on, Clifford. 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 I need you, Clifford. You're part of this next puzzle. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Yep. Go. Where am I? Go. What are you doing? Go. God damn it. He's laying down. Come on, man. We got shit to do. Come on. Let's go. I want to get that way. Yeah, I know it's up there. You gotta let me get to it. Whoa. Come on. That way. Go that way. Jesus Christ, kid. If you're gonna fall, just fall. Come on. That way. I'm gonna stomp on your head until you go. Let's go. That way. Is this like a fucking massage to you? Come on. Get going. Last time you cheated me past this part. I don't appreciate it. I don't appreciate you not giving me the same standards. It's not okay. How to scoots. Whoa, no, kid, get the fuck back up there. I do not trust you. Nah, how to scoot. Alright. Yup. Climberin'. Get up there. When am I gonna be done with this part? Somehow he'll get his ass up here. He always does. I got your food right here! Glowy-eyed demon. Come get your food, Satan. And then put some more of those purple butt bolts to use. Yep, there you go. Now you're all fed. Show me the way!